as you can already tell, today's video is a vlog. It's gonna be a day in my life. If you guys haven't watched my previous day in my life in a lockdown, then I'm gonna leave a link over here. You guys can go ahead and watch that. So I am so excited for today's vlog, even though I don't have a ton of things planned. But today is a Sunday, so Sunday usually for me is honestly not a very chill day. I still have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna take you guys through my entire day. Also guys, please excuse my amateur vlogging skills. I think I'm still not a pro at it. I'm still figuring out this vlogging camera. It's just giving me a really hard time. Even though it's a great camera, like you guys can see the quality and all, it's great, but I still have to figure out how to use this camera properly. So it's currently 12 p.m. This is when my day usually starts because I don't wake up really early in the morning. So yes, I woke up, had my breakfast, took a shower, and I'm ready for the day now. So I'm gonna tell you guys what's the plan for today. So firstly, I'm gonna shoot 2 YouTube videos. At least that's what I have planned. If not 2, then only 1 video because chalega it's Sunday hai, so I can shoot 1 video also. So yeah, after the shoot, I'm planning to organize my makeup cupboard. Also the place where I keep all of my skincare products, because my skincare is just overloading now. I have so many products. I need to declutter, I need to clean the area, I need to organize everything according to my convenience. So yeah, I have to do that. Also I have to clean my makeup brushes. These are just like all the pending work that I have since a really long time, and I know I'm not going to be able to complete everything today, but at least thoda bahut to ho jayega. And also I have a lot of content that needs to be edited. I have a lot of unedited content, and there are so many like Instagram videos that I want to upload. There's so many reels that I want to upload. So I guess I'm gonna like also start editing today itself. So yes, let's get started with the day. I'm gonna go have my lunch and I'll be right back. So this is how my makeup cupboard looks like. I know it doesn't look like that unorganized, but this area is very cluttered. This basket is very cluttered, and also my makeup brushes are really dirty. I honestly don't even remember the last time that I cleaned these brushes. Also, like, all of the things are just not organized. Like, as you can see, there are like 2 lipsticks over here, 1 foundation over here, so it's just very random. I really need to organize. Also, like, I have some new makeup products which are just lying in my wardrobe. They haven't even reached here because I just haven't got the time to organize this area. So I'm planning to do this today if possible. Otherwise, I'm gonna do this some other day. Also, I'm gonna show you guys where I keep all of my skincare products. So I don't have a skincare cabinet yet, so I keep all of my skincare products in my wardrobe. I'm gonna show you guys where I keep it. So just ignore the mess, but this is where I keep all of my skincare and my hair care products. This area, as you can see, is so cluttered. Like, even though I just organized this like 15 days ago, I cleaned this area 15 days ago, and now this entire area is filled with products. I usually just like to keep the products in these organizers. These are all the organizers, and this area I like to keep it very clean, but now it's just so cluttered. So I have to organize this. I have to find a solution for this. I'm also currently like convincing my parents to build a skincare cabinet for me, so let's see how that goes, because I really need a space to keep all of my skincare products. So yeah, I have to figure this out today. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just had to like set up for my shoot right now, and I decided to chuck the plan for the YouTube videos, and I'm gonna do an Instagram video. It's gonna be a very chill skincare Instagram video, and I'm gonna film that video with my mom. So we've been planning to do this Instagram video since like a lot of days now, but she has just not been getting the time to film the video with me, and now finally like she said that we're gonna film the video today. So I decided to like shift my YouTube video ka plan tomorrow, and today I'm doing that Instagram video. So I'm gonna show you guys how I actually set up for my shoot. I don't think I've ever shared this with you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is how my shoot setup looks like. This is what I do every single day to shoot my videos. I literally have to set this entire thing up. And today there are 2 chairs because we're 2 of us filming, me and my mom. but otherwise there's only this one chair. And also I really like a nice white clean background, so I put all the clutter over here on this side of the table where it's not seen, so you guys don't get to see all of this clutter, like my hairbrushes and this dustbin and all of this clutter. Also, I have a blue softboard over here which is hanging always, if you guys have seen it. But whenever I'm shooting, I always take off the softboard because I really don't like that in my background. So yeah, this is how my setup looks like. Also, I keep like all of my makeup and all the products that I'm using for the video on this table. This table is really good. I got it from Amazon. It's actually my dad's table, which I just stole it from him for my shoots because it's just so convenient. It's this foldable table. So today me and my mom are using this VLCC facial kit. So we're gonna use this kit in the video, and if you guys want a full review on this kit, head over to my Instagram. I'll leave the handle on the screen. Go and check out this video. If you guys want like any details of the equipments that I use, let me know in the comment section below. I'll reply to each and every comment. Hi guys, so we just got done filming that video, and oh my god, it took so much time and effort because I had a lot of technical issues. Like there was some problem with my phone or maybe my camera, because I just couldn't connect my phone to the camera. Usually like there's an app where you can control your camera, so my phone was just not getting connected, and without that I really cannot see if I'm in focus or if the product is in focus. So it took me literally an hour to figure that out, but I'm really happy that finally we filmed the video, and it is genuinely gonna be really cute. And also my mom just like reminded me that today is International Daughters Day. I was literally thinking that Daughters Day to yesterday tha, but it's today, 27th September. So I think it's a really great idea to post that video today itself. So I'm currently like, I sat down to transfer all the files. So I have started editing the video, and I'm also snacking on the McVitie's Kid Digestive Biscuits. If you guys haven't tried this, then you should definitely go ahead and try this. This is the milk chocolate one. So basically like there's a layer of milk chocolate on these biscuits, and they are so delicious. They're really expensive, by the way. So we don't buy it very often, like we get it very rarely. And yesterday like I visited to Food Hall, and this is something that I definitely had to get. Like this is literally my favorite. So yeah, I'm snacking on that, and I'm also editing the video. Hi guys, so it has been a couple of hours. Firstly, please ignore my hair and all because it's really oily. It's one of those days where I'm having a very bad hair day. So I really don't care about that right now. So I'm done with editing my video, and I have also scheduled all my posts. I'll put a little teaser of the mother-daughter video that I've done today. So yeah, if you guys want to watch the entire video, head over to my Instagram and watch the video. It is genuinely really cute. And also I'm done with my dinner. Yes, we have really early dinners at my house. I guess I've said that before. Right now it's 7:30 p.m. and we do have our dinners at 7:30 max. So I'm done with that. Right now I'm having this Epigamia ka Greek yogurt. This is my favorite. I'm having the one in the flavor strawberry. It's my favorite flavor. So I'm having this for dessert right now. And also I'm right now on the floor because I decided to do the skincare area today. Like I'm gonna clean that area. I thought I'll clean the makeup cupboard sometime later because it's genuinely a lot of work. Literally I'll have to wash like 30 brushes, so I can't do that right now. I'm really exhausted. So I'll just like clean up and organize my skincare area. What do I call it? Like I just keep my skincare in my cupboard. So yes, I'm gonna do that, and I'll also put a before and after clip of the entire area, like how it'll look after cleaning up. So let's get started. I'm gonna put all my skincare products on the floor, and then I'll go through everything, what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. I'm pretty sure that I want to keep everything because I do declutter once in a while. So I emptied all of my skincare products. I don't think you guys can even see what mess I'm sitting in. So yeah, I emptied that entire skincare area, and I also emptied a drawer. So I have this drawer in my wardrobe where I keep all the miscellaneous beauty products. I also keep all of my bigger eyeshadow palettes. Actually, I've started keeping all of my eyeshadow palettes in that drawer because I'm really scared that something might fall off my makeup cupboard. So I've emptied that drawer also, and I'm gonna organize everything. So I really don't know where to start from, but I'm gonna show you guys my organizers that I keep my skincare in. I think I'll be needing some more organizers, so I have to find it like in the house कहाँ पे मुझे organizer मिलेगा. But mainly for my skincare products, I love using these white plastic boxes. These boxes I got from Miniso. I just have two of them. Like this is the largest size, and then I have a smaller one which looks like this. So I have these two sizes. They're really affordable. They look so pretty. Like it looks really good. It looks very white and clean. So I use these organizers mainly, and then I also use this Charles and Keith ka dabba that I had. So I had like purchased a wallet on my birthday from Charles and Keith. So uska box I had. So this is the lid of the box, and then I use the box itself. So it's a like really great hack. You can use these boxes as organizers. So yeah, currently like I just have 4 organizers, and I guess I need like 2-3 more to accommodate all of these skincare products. So I'll get started with organizing. Also, I'm planning to do a giveaway very soon. So all of the things that I have like extras, I'm gonna keep it aside for a giveaway. I'll probably do a giveaway when I have 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, then please do, because I really want to do a giveaway. So this is how it looks like after organizing. I know you guys must be thinking कि इतना difference ही नहीं है. But honestly, you guys, now everything is in an organizer, which is amazing. I found this like Kama Ayurveda ka box. So I just organize everything in these boxes also. And now like everything is segregated, as well as it's like according to my convenience. So it just makes much more sense to me. Also, like I have kept those face mask and face scrubs over there hidden because I don't really use that a lot, so it's over there behind. And all of the things that I use are over here in the front, right in front of my eyes. And also, if you guys are wondering what this is actually a handwritten note which I got from Mystique Earth. I reviewed their shampoo and conditioner on my Instagram. So they sent this really cute handwritten note which just like melted my heart. So this is how the drawer looks like now, very well organized. As I said, I do keep my eyeshadow palettes all over here. And I do have a lot of like these mini skincare products over here, or like mini containers to empty my skincare products. So I'm just like keeping them over here right now. Hi guys, it's 11 p.m. right now. I got done with organizing all my skincare, and then I was just sitting and talking to my family. It has been a daily routine now. We all sit together and talk at night. So yeah, I'm currently really exhausted. I just thought that I should show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. It's very minimal. It's just like 3-4 products. So why not show you guys? So I firstly like just washed my face using this Wow Skin Science Upton face wash. This is something like which is very gentle on your skin, and it's something that I've been loving lately. So yeah, I use this right now. So I'm gonna use my night serum, which is by Upkarma. This is how it looks like. It has niacinamide in it, and it's something that I've been using regularly at night. So I'm just gonna put all of my hair behind, and I'm just taking 2 pumps of this serum. Feels very light and very hydrating on the skin. So after this, I'm gonna use my Dot & Key Skin Plumping Moisture Infusion Water Sleeping Mask. It is so hydrating. It is genuinely the most hydrating mask that I've ever used. So yeah, it does come with a spatula, but I'm not using that. Honestly, I never use that. I just dip my finger inside. This is how it looks like. It has a very nice gel consistency, and it smells really good. So moisturizing. Now that my skin is well hydrated, I'm gonna use my Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is in the variant Berry. It's my favorite. I've literally stopped using other lip balms because this is such a great product. Guys, if you think it's overrated, let me tell you, it's not overrated. It's genuinely really good. So I'm going to generously apply this on my lips. Lastly, I'm going to use a hand cream. This is by Nivea. It's something that I got very recently, very affordable, and I honestly cannot live without hand creams nowadays. My hands are getting so dry because of the weather change. So this is the one which has glycerin and olive in it, and it's meant for very dry skin, which is exactly my skin type. So I'm just taking a very little amount and applying this all over my hands. So this is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like watching my vlogs, and if you want me to make some more, I would love to do that. We could make this like a monthly thing. So yeah, let me know what do you guys want to watch next. I would love to do that. And also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.